Hi, what's going on YouTube? It's Jamel with Focused Hands, and today I got a little special one. I'm going to be putting some soundproofing and fireproofing and weatherproofing, etc., in the car, piece by piece. And I've already taken the door panel off of the back driver's side, and this is what it looks like. This is what I'm going to cut out and stick into the door. I may have to cut it a little bit more or so, but I'm going to go back here right now and give you the before, and then after it's done, give you the after of what it sounds like opening and closing the door. All right, stay tuned. I just want to give you a little update on I recently did a I recently added some Sound Deadening Foam from Walmart. I'll have to link their product in the description. I got maybe 86 square feet worth or so of foam, and I want to give you my review of that foam and how it's transformed the car. Yes, this is a review of the positive sides of this foam and also its heat resistance, and cold and hot weather. Right now we're in the colder months here in Texas, so I'll get to see how cold the car gets or how warm the car stays from the heater. So to start off, I will say that the trunk is much more quiet. Just listen to this. We'll take a look at the doors as well. That's the door. Super quiet. Now we're gonna go for a ride. Stay tuned. I'm inside the car right now, and see here, like I said, here goes my center console and everything. I'm gonna give you a walk around the car for everything that I've changed since my first video. So sit tight for that. That video's coming up. Anyway, let's start the car up. Put on my seatbelt. Let's turn on the lights. Again, that's pretty cool. If you can tell, it's already pretty quiet in the car as is. So I'm gonna go for a little drive here. I'll let the car warm up, and you'll get to see. I'm gonna let my car warm up, and I'll turn you back on. Stay tuned. All right, let's go for a drive. Much more quiet than before. So I would say, I think I paid $33, saying the Sound Deadening Foam was about $200 originally, but they were having some special. That's a disclaimer, it was $200. But they had some special going on at the time to where I got it for $33 for a lot. And I have a lot extra that I can use for the car. So I'll be putting some in the back floorboards, the rear back seats. I did the rear back seats, but the seat wells where the people's feet sit at in the rear passenger seat, I guess. So yeah, I mean, if you just listen to how quiet it is. I mean, it's really quiet. I think I have a before that I'm going to show you what it sounded like closing the doors. I think the rear driver side passenger door. That's the door. Super quiet. All right, YouTube. So I'm out here in the morning. I'm in the car. I'm gonna put up the radio a little bit so you can listen to the sound of the car when I'm driving. Due to the installation. Oh wow! Due to the installation. Cool, right? Anyway, let me do this. I'm gonna get a little driving B-roll for you, so you can see for yourself the difference it makes.
Dee is like, did you get your cigarettes yet, Daddy? Yeah. It's like, Daddy,
I'll be right back. I'm gonna get some cigarettes.
you said that last time. Daddy, did you find them? Mama said you were still looking for them.
The kids that really love their father. I knew you was gonna go, so I bought cigarettes earlier for you. I gotta get a soft drink. I almost smoked those cigarettes.
Oh my God, I hate you guys. Be laughing at this. I hate you guys.
That's Dee Dee in the morning.
Nick Cannon, you guys. Nick
All
Cannon wants to battle 50 Cent all Wild now. Okay, Nick, please have a seat.
I just want that Dee Dee's dad.
Daddy can battle 50.
Come
Good
on,
shout
Nick.
out to 50 Cent. We know 50 Cent's in town, right?
Yes. He likes Texas now.
I saw you on your Instagram page. You got a chance to meet him. I think he's so fun. Well, you know, we had met before at Bebe's. Remember, Bebe had the pool party?
Right.
And everything? Yeah, so you got to meet him there. I didn't meet him. He and I connected back then. I just really like because he's got his personality is crazy. Let me tell y'all what happened at this pool
Thing
party.
is,
Dee Dee looked at me.
it's
and she
super
said,
quiet. I mean, it's super quiet.
And I said, Dee Dee, what?
You gotta try this out for yourself.
And she says,
And
no.
I'm pretty sure that you'll be able to do it. Let me turn the radio down. So yeah, you gotta try this out for yourself, and you know, let me know how it works out for you. I wasn't a believer of it until I did it myself, and it's 41 degrees outside, and in the car it doesn't feel like 41. It feels maybe like 60, 62 in the car. I can't confirm that obviously, but it feels like 62, and it's not as cold as 41. I can tell you that for sure. And you know, it's feeling good and sounding good as I drive. So I'm gonna call that a pass and a thumbs up for Walmart's installation and sound deadening foam. Well, that concludes this small little episode. Tune in the next couple of days. I got some more stuff coming for you, some more videos and commentary. Like, comment, subscribe, ring the notification bell. You know what to do. Ooh, that car had blue over there. And I'll catch you in the next episode. Peace.